Right, there's that off. So, as you've just seen, I have just taken the side off my computer. You may be asking, why am I doing this? Well, right, so ages ago the window cracked, so I decided to glue it. And then I thought I would try and make a frosted effect. And so basically I just got sandpaper and sanded it. But if I just take you off, then, and move you in a bit, we can see this frosted effect didn't really work out, and well, it just ended up being like scratched plastic, which is what it is. And before you ask, yes, it is being held in with real screws, because the little plastic tag things that were holding it in previously, they weren't very good, so they broke. So I just found some screws they're not all identical. I mean, the threads are all identical, but if we turn it over, oh, I looks like I need to redo this wall soon as well. But yeah, if we turn it over, we can see some of them are flat heads and other ones are dome heads. But aside from that, the threads are identical. So basically the purpose of this video is going to be an attempt of taking the window off and somehow making it look better. And by looking better, I mean I won't get this back to transparent how it was. So I'm going to try and make a better frosted effect. And there's bits of plastic there. My bin's down there, in case you wondered where I'm putting it. So yeah, what that means I need to do is take out my trusty screwdriver set, which I've had for years. I have lost a few screwdrivers, so yeah, but that doesn't really matter because, well, the most common ones that I use are probably this one, these two, and then that one and that one. So yeah, but I've had this set for that long that the case did fail. Well, it was basically just a bit of plastic that was holding it together, and over all the years of opening and closing it, it broke off. So I stuck it back together with gaffer tape, which is, well, humanity's greatest invention. So yes, anyway, I need to get unscrewing these screws and try and make this window more frosted. The little, well, it's a coaster that I normally have on my desk, but it's not being used at the moment, so it can be used as a screw holder. Right, so this side is the frosted side, well, scratch side. So now I need to scratch it some more. Let's turn the shower temperature down so I don't end up steaming up the camera as it's not waterproof. So yeah, as you can see, we do have the window in the shower. The only reason why I'm doing it in the shower instead of the sink is because the shower's bigger, so I can fit it all in. And before you ask, yes, this is waterproof sandpaper, which has been used before, as you can probably see, so it's quite fine. But that's what I want. Oh dear. Right. So, now it's wet, let's start sanding. Hope you can see this. You see this? Yep. My head in the way? Don't think so. by those slightly abrasive things, I mean these. Yes, it is an old one that I use for doing stuff like this. But yeah, I'm just hoping this will sort of buffer it in a way, but not buffer it. Right, now let's rinse that off. So now we need to dry it, so let's do that. I could use a hairdryer, but no, take too long. Right, that was quick. Didn't even time lapse it. So now if I show you it, there is still a bit of water there. As you can see, it still looks scratched because, well, it is. But it's like, I don't think it's as bad as it was. I think I've made it look more frosted, but I'm not sure. What do you think? Like if we put that there. You think that looks better? Ooh. That's basically all I'm doing for this video. Now all I need to do is screw it back into the case. So now it goes, so the broken bit goes on there like that, on there. Now what I really should do is put like a screw through one of the, holes first. But then if I can like get that screw anchored in there, then, well, we've made a start, haven't we? I think I just completely ripped the threads on that. But now let's put the second one in just to like hold it in place so I can get the last few in. This one is now being screwed in. In case you wondered what I'm doing, I'm like checking the alignment. Right, so now I'll put this one in, I think, because, well, it's falling there. Something tells me this video will get more dislikes than likes, simply because I'm doing everything improper, or ghetto, as the internet would say. Right, ow. So yeah, now I need to go and put this back on my computer. Camera there, zoom it out a bit, go and get these screws, and then go and, no you don't, and just put it on. Oh. You can't even see what I'm doing here. I hate these screws. There we go. Because you can never find the thread. I don't know if you can see it, but you see that like mark there? That's where the other screw hole is. So that's what I need to try and put it in. and there's the tripod in the way, which makes it even more difficult. Ah, there we go. I'll just hold the camera for the outro instead of messing about setting the tripod up. But anyway, yeah, so that was a little random video that I decided to do. I mean, does it look any more frosted? I mean, admittedly, it's not going, probably won't ever look as good as actual frosted plastic or glass or whatever it is that's frosted, but to say it's homemade, I think that is a bit better than what it was. I'm going to end this video here, but yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video, or at least speak to you.